a quick unboxing of my new lens, and I love shallow depth of field, man. I purchased the SLR Magic 50 1.1, and the old school nifty 50 from Canon is what really turned me out on separation. Once I saw how different that 50 shot versus my 28 to 135 variable aperture, man, it was no going back. I exclusively shoot primes, man, and I'm putting that 50mm 1.1 on my Sony a7S III. I love character way more than anything else, man, and I'm always planning to shoot this lens wide open. Here are my first shots using the new lens with my daughter outside after I picked her up from Head Start. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.